embargo never existed, the United States wouldn't be doing any business or cooperating in any way with Cuba due to legal, economic, and political reasons. Ultimately, the embargo has no negative economic effect on Cuba, and removing it would serve no purpose because the nation's relations with Cuba will not likely improve.
They may have the best health and education, however they're lacking more medications that they are needing. If there's a new president in Cuba, why can't the United States try to make improvements now?
With the Castro regime, they decided that they didn't want to do anything with us. That's why the embargo was put in the first place. Even with the new leader Raul, it is more likely that they still won't want anything to do with us, especially with our new president now. While both countries have new leaders, it seems to be more likely that they won't want anything to do with each other.
I'm Congresswoman Grace Manning, and I'm proud to represent Parsons Queen.